In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Virtual Learning System of Pakistan International School, Taif. Today is our 17th lecture, and in this lecture, we shall learn about lowest common multiple. And this topic is given in your book, page 48. Let us start from book page 48. In book page 48, we shall discuss about lowest common multiple. Before learning about lowest common multiple, you must know about what is multiple. Last time I told you about multiple. I am going to repeat myself once again. The definition is multiple is a number that is divisible by another number by leaving zero remainder. For example, if we divide 6 by 3, we get zero remainder. 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 6, 0. So we can say that 6 is the multiple of 3. And also remember that every whole number is the multiple of itself. 3 is the multiple of 3, 4 is the multiple of 4, 5 is the multiple of 5, 3 is the multiple of 3, 5 is the multiple of 5, because 5 ones are 5 and 3 ones are 3. So 5, when you multiply 5 by 1, you get 5 again. When you multiply any number by 1, you get again the same number. It means every whole number is always a multiple of itself. Whole numbers, whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to so on. So these are whole numbers, and all whole numbers are multiple of themselves. So let us start from question 1. Question 1 is now write down the least common multiple of numbers 2 and 3. Least common multiple of numbers 2 and 3. Here the pair of numbers is given. Numbers are 2 and 3. First of all, we will write multiples of 2 by counting the table of 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 14, 16, 18, and up to so on. Dear students, remember that it is impossible for us to write all multiples. We know that multiples are infinite, like counting, like whole number. So we will write just first 10, 12, or 15 multiples. It's up to you until you find some common multiples. In this way, we will write the multiples of 3 by counting the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, up to so on. After that, students, we will compare the multiples of both numbers and we will loop the common same. Here, look at the first one. First multiple is 2. Here 2 is not available in the multiples of 3. Check 4. Then 6. 6 is available here. Therefore, it is common multiple. So we loop 6. Then similarly we loop 12. And then 18. Here we will loop all common multiples, and after that we put here multiples are uncountable, therefore definitely there will be more common multiples. So we will put here dot dot dot. It means there are some more, many, you can say more common multiples. So we will only choose 2 or 3 common multiples, and after that, for lowest common multiple, we will choose the first common multiple. Here the first common multiple is 6, so we will write here 6. Therefore the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. Part B, LCM of 3 and 4. Same procedure we will apply. First we will write some multiples of 3. You can write first 5, first 6, first 7, 8, or 9 multiples of any number, and after that write the multiples of 10 or 12 multiples of 4, and then find the common multiples. Here the common multiples are 12 and 24. So we will write common multiples are 12, 24, and then we will put some dots. These dots mean there are more multiples exist, but we will just here write first 2 or 3 multiples only. After that, for lowest common multiple, we will choose the first one. First common multiple is 12, therefore we will write least common multiple is equal to 12. Part C, we will adopt same procedure. So solution is written in front of you, so you can do this part by yourself. Now I'm going to express question 2. In question 2, here the statement is list the first 5 multiples of the following pair of numbers, then find LCM. Here pair of numbers are 8 and 12, 3 and 8. But here the instruction is write first 5 multiples. You can write more than 5 multiples if you will not find the lowest common multiple or common multiples. So here we write the multiples of 8, first 5 multiples of 8, first 5 multiples are 8 are 8 ones are 8, 2s are 16, 3s are 24, 4s are 32, and 5s 8 5 times 40. 12 1 times 12, 12 2 times 24, 3 times 36, 4 times 48, 12 5 times 60. So first of all, we write 5 multiples and then choose common multiple. Now we will loop common multiple. Here there is only one common multiple, that is 24, and this is also least common multiple. Similarly, in this case, we will write 3 multiples and here 8 multiples. Here, students, we are writing more than 5 multiples because within 5 multiples we cannot find lowest common multiple or first common multiple. Therefore, whenever you will not find the common multiple, you can extend the multiples. Here we are writing more than 5. So these are the multiples of 3 and these are the multiples of 8. So the common multiple is 24. Therefore, we loop this multiple and after that we will write LCM equal to 24. Question 3. Find the LCM of these set of 3 numbers. Here sets of number consist of 3 numbers by writing 6 multiples. First 6 multiples. According to our need, we can write more than 6, but usually we will here. But here we will write 6 multiples as per given instructions. But according to our need, we can write more than 6. So the first one is 2, 4, and 5. So first of all, we will write multiples of 2. then multiples of 4, and then multiples of. When we write first 6 multiples of 2 as per given instruction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So within six multiples, within 6 multiples, we cannot find lowest common multiple. Therefore, we will extend the multiples of 2. We will write 4 more multiples. After that, we will able to find the multiples, common multiple of 2, 4, and 5. So we will write least common multiple is equal to 20. Students, next one is 6, 7, and 14. First of all, we will write at least 6 multiples of each number as per given instructions. But as per our need, we can extend our multiples. This is simple concept. First, we will write multiple of 6, then 7, and then 8. Student, one thing is important that here, look at the multiples of 6. We are extending the multiples of 6 more than 6 because within 6 multiples, we cannot find the lowest common multiple. Therefore, we will extend more than 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and write 7th one also, because the 7 multiple is the first common multiple of 6, 7, and 14. So after writing the multiples, we will loop the least common multiple of first common multiple. First common multiple is also known as lowest common multiple. So therefore, we write LCM is equal to 42. Part C. In part C, we have numbers are 3, 4, and 6. We will write the multiples of 3, then 4, then 6. Here in multiples of 3, we are extending the multiple more than 6 because of our need. So here you can say 20. 24 is first common multiple of 3, 4, and 6. So we write LCM is equal to 12. In this way, you can find the multiples of this part D, 3, 8, and 12. Solution is written in front of you. Question 4, think carefully and complete. Here are 3 statements. The first statement is, if we add an even number to another even number, we get dash number. We get even number. All of you know that even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. Means if we define the even numbers, so the definition will be the numbers that is divisible by 2, means that we can divide the even numbers by 2. The numbers that is divisible by 2 are called even numbers, and the numbers that are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. So I am taking any 2 even numbers. Let's suppose I am taking 6 and 8. 6 is even number, 8 is even number. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 is also even number. So 6 is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. 8 is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8. 7 is divisible by 2. 2 7s are. Therefore, whenever we add 2 even number, we get again even number. Same case is applied on odd number. Whenever we add 2 odd numbers, we get even number. These are odd numbers: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. The numbers that are not divisible by 2, that are called odd numbers. I am taking any 2 odd numbers, 5 and 7. I'm taking 5 and 7. Just add them. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 is even. This is odd. This is odd. When we add two odd numbers, we get even. Therefore, here we will write, if we add an odd number to another odd number, we get even number. And if we add one odd with one even, we get odd number. Suppose I am taking one even number, it is 6, and one odd number, any odd number, that is, I am taking 5. So 6 plus 5, that is 11. One even, E stands for even, odd. Even plus odd, that is equal to odd. Inshallah, in next video, we will discuss about MCQs, and we will learn some MCQs. That MCQs are taken from the whole syllabus of your first term. And thank you. Allah Hafiz.